Nice 3-inch pipe.
Social Security on your behalf. Plus, there's no upfront cost. Citizens disagree.
So my plan here is to unbolt this clamp and then unbolt the clamp on the other side of the exhaust, take the muffler out, and then slide that pipe back so I can save the stock setup. And then I'm gonna straight pipe from the resonator back. And I'm gonna keep this for now, see how it sounds. Yeah, we might be getting the Sawzall. Well, first off, that's not a 15mm bolt, and it's rusted to shit, so. Oh, no creeper today either. But, so change of plans. No longer unbolting it right here. Gonna cut it and coupling it after the resonator right here, keep the stock flange on, and then straight pipe it back. Why are your batteries always dead, Deasy? Your batteries are always dead. There we go. Cut it pretty straight. Okay, so I've slid the exhaust back a little bit here off the hanger. It's like a couple inches out. I'm just gonna keep wiggling it till it falls down. Hey, will you go pick that end up for a minute? Just grab it by that end and pick it up, and then pull it towards you a little. No, I just need to get it out of this rubber grommet. There we go. Okay, push it back to me. I got it from here. Thanks.
You have to bring it forward.
Yeah, that way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
You may need to jack up the rear of the truck.
I think I just cut my brake line.
Are you kidding me?
No.
I hope you're kidding me.
I'm not. Well, fuck. Come look at this real quick. Oh yeah, I definitely hit it, dude. I think. Yeah. That's what I thought I hit.
It's not the brake line.
This isn't the brake line?
No, that's your ABS sensor.
What?
Yeah.
This is an electronic cable?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the brake line.
Yeah.
Oh. This.
I don't know why.
Oh.
It's probably just inside of that.
Oh, the rubber?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. More fucking parts. Thing's a rumble. We gotta paint like a decal on this thing. 3 inner diameter by 2.5 outer diameter. 2.5 inch clamp. 3-inch clamp. Hanger. 3-inch tailpipe. These are all 3/8 nuts and thread. Whoa, make sure you got the inlet side. You're way too far away. Okay, move up there.
I'm working on it. Oh.
Oh yeah. That's real good. That's real good.
It's tight, huh? Tight fit.
Tight?
It ain't gonna get
That's
in
the
there.
fucking same exact size. What do you think? Will that fit? Whatever you want to do. Time limit going now?
That muffler has 0 engineering to it.
I know. It probably will do nothing. The turbo one might have been alright.
It would sound like an eco boost.
Oh, dude, we could fucking get this inside this pipe, maybe. Either way, but I'm gonna try these clamps first. What do we got? Tools. Some snap-on hex heads.
Fucking used.
It is used. Open it. Thing's fucking used.
Fuck.
Look at that label. It's not a mint label.
Crash.
Got hot dog down the hallway.
But we're gonna fucking hammer that in there then. Hot dog down the hallway. Oh, that's alright. We'll weld that up. No, flip it around. Oh wait, but then that doesn't do shit for us because then we can't do some up. What is that?
If we chop this piece.
Oh yeah, if we chop this piece,
Yeah, the flare off.
if we chop that hub off that, then we can just use. You're just saying we can just use that little piece in there with clamps?
I don't know if we're gonna be able to clamp that.
I don't think so. That's too big of a gap. What if we just get a fucking 3-inch coupling on the outside and fucking clamp the shit out of it? So this is the piece we came up with for the back end, so we can reuse the stock hanger. Gonna probably go with a side exit coming out like right here.
There's that clamp on there, dickhead.
Why?
Because there's no threads to make it tight.
Yes, there is.
This side's all maxed out.
So loosen that. No, just. I know what you mean.
Pretty much maxed out.
It's
Alright,
close.
fucking tighten it.
It's close.
Fucking tighten it. Whatever. Whatever Bert says.
Okay.
Fucked. Oh, that's way too much to do. I need a 3-inch flare tool. Like I told you before.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, man. You have to work like over your head. I don't know how it should be like. Should it be flat?
Probably as flat as you can.
Let's hear the growl. I hope it does something. I really do. Keep it on. I want to slide this pipe over it.
What?
Turn it back on and see what it sounds like with this pipe on. Turn it back on.
Jesus.
Now.
So much condensation.
Is this thing gonna be like wicked hot?
No. You want, man.
This thing's hot as me. Yeah.
That is practically impossible.
No, we could tack weld it somewhere.
Get a piece of flex pipe. In between them.
Oh. What are you doing? Let's see here. Hold me. my battery's dead as fuck. What are you doing? You're the fulcrum. It's like yesterday when we were fucking balancing that fucking dollar as a scale, dude. Your scale. Fucking, I thought you were putting the line in there. Okay. I'll do it this way, I
Yeah,
guess.
I was gonna, but no reason.
Okay. Push. Push. More. Give it a wiggle. Give it a wiggle it in there. Yeah.
Where's that hanger then? Let's get it in place now then.
We will. We're about to. Hanger's about to go in place. Dude, we need another fucking 2.5-inch clamp. Okay guys, so I just added those 2 hangers right there, and this thing is pretty much finished up. And it looks pretty good. It's at like a good height if you look at it from the back. I like it. Got the good old stock guide showing in here. Just waiting to be used. Slip cup in case I ever want to put the muffler back on. Recently, this Monday, so 4 days ago now, got laid off because of COVID-19, and I really, 1, don't know what to do with myself anymore. 2, I have enough money saved to where I can hopefully pray this just passes and relax and try and do something like this for a little bit. And 3, that's about it.